what have you learned from the three branches of government? How many senators do we have?
24.
24. Okay. Romeo.
Gusto ka
Yes. I have a question for you. Okay. What is legislative? Ano yung gawa ng legislative?
Si legislative po, siya yung usually na gumagawa po ng mga...
Ano?
Babae ang boys.
Babae siya.
Babae ang boys. Hindi bagay.
Sino nagsawa niya?
Well, so si legislative, they are the usually na gumagawa po ng mga nag-implement ng law.
Sige, go ahead.
Okay na. So si... So si legislative po, sila po yung usually na gumagawa po ng laws or in... Sa madaling salita, they usually use implement the laws po.
Okay. Now, let's have group 3. Okay. What is executive branch? Okay, who are the member of the executive branch, by the way, group president?
Executive na? President.
Okay. Aside from president, vice president, and
Wala naman.
meron yung mga cabinet members. Yung mga cabinet members. And the last one, okay, let's have the legislative. Okay, group 2. Judiciary. Group 2, judiciary. Yeah, what can you say of judiciary? Okay. Nag-grapple tayo ng question. Okay, group 2, let's talk about judiciary. What can you say about judiciary?
Bahay ko muna po.
Ano judiciary? Emil, kayo ang bandera ng group 2.
Uy, bakit ako? Iba naman.
Okay, by the way, the Chief of Justice right now ay si Chief Justice, I forget his name, Desmundo. Siya yung sino yung laging nasa TV ngayon, si retired Chief Justice, sino yun? Carpio. Hindi siya Chief Justice, retired na siya. At saka hindi siya naging Chief Justice, by the way. He is one of the Chief Justices. Ang naging Chief Justice, by the way, si Renato Corona. Yung namatay na. Okay? At yung iba tulad ni Corona, ano lang sila, naging justices pero hindi sila naging Chief Justice. By the way, ang judiciary is independent body sila. They are separate from the not from the government, okay, from the executive and from the legislative. Meron silang sarili. May sarili silang pamunuan. Yung Supreme Court, i-mention, okay, yun naman yung isang branch of court na you're going to appeal, okay, na sila yung magtitingin kung talaga bang karapat-dapat, they have to rectify, they have to check kung meron ba talagang probable cause yung reklamo. But everything, okay, ang magsasalita na doon is the evidence. Yeah. So the last one, let's see if you're really learned, okay? Huwag niyo sisirain, ha? Oo, kasi baka gagamitin ko pa sa isang section ko. Sana bumano siya, kasi ito yung pinakakahirap kong ginawa. Yan. Sige. Group, unahin natin ang group 3. Sige, who will be the representative of group 3? Oo.
Joel.
Dalawa. Dalawa para tulungan kayo. Sige, hawakan. Sige. Ay, ano? Bakit ka dito?
Kami na.
Jordan na po. Yan, one more.
Natanggal.
Ay.
Doon siya ma'am.
Number 2. Okay, the second, number 2. Okay, the question would be, napakadali lang. How many senators are there in Senate? 24. Next one, who representative?
Saba.
Pag-ikat na.
Huwag niyo pa siya hard.
Ayan na.
Sige, yan, 8. Let's see, what's number 8. For group 1. Okay. What do you call the law-making body of the Philippines? Yan. What do you call the law-making bodies of the Philippines? Thank you for that. Now, sino pa yung group na hindi? Group 2. Group 2.
Ano yung plus 50 na kami lahat?
Sino representative ng group 2?
Dalawa.
Sige.
18.
Ano yan, ma'am?
Ruleta.
Nandahan mo. Isa pa. Isa pa.
Hindi naman po.
Umiikot yan.
Sige yan. Sige pa. Yan.
3.
Ulit.
Yan. 2.
Ay, isa pa ito.
Ulit pa.
Number 2. Okay, who is the Vice President of the Philippines? Vice
Sige, maingay.
Wala maingay. Vice President of the
Shrek.
Republic of the Philippines. Si Mama. Shrek.
Ano? Sabi ka na.
Ha?
Yung shirt niya.
Si Mama. Hindi convincing si ano.
Hindi naman tama na yun.
Hindi kasi mo
Tama,
sabi
hindi
na.
namin yun. Tama na.
Okay, class, who is the Vice President of the Republic? And who is the...
Tama ko.
Okay, the Secretary of Education.
Zara Duterte.
Ano nakakalimutan yun, ha? Okay? And that would be all for this activity. Thank you for joining and